This morning my friends asked me the same question again. How is everything with you all in Nepal? This is because they are quite concerned and very worried about me and my people here in Kathmandu. Perhaps they can't believe that the situation in Nepal in general, and Kathmandu in particular, isn't so bad during this period of global COVID-19 pandemic. This particular friend said that she is very surprised and very happy that Nepal government could control and contain the pandemic crisis so well. I told her that it may be partially due to the steps taken by the government, but partially it is just the result of collective karma. I really believe so. Otherwise, how can one explain why Kathmandu is in a better position? Why Italy is so bad, and London as well? Now New York is like a hell. Why one needs to suffer that much? All these questions can never be answered truthfully. There may be answers based on ongoing scientific studies, some may be political answers, some are racists and some based on religions. I only believe in karma. This is happening because nature needs a little bit of rest to heal. Karmic reactions can provide some succor to the world. Our cyclic existence is the result of karma. Karma to me is the outcome of people's behavior, people's mentality and people's lifestyle. If you deserve to be sick, you will be infected. This is quite visible from how this coronavirus works. It is as though this pandemic has a mind of its own where to go, how to go, and whom to attack. It seems that the virus is attacking those countries whose people are educated, arrogant and full of themselves, caring less for nature and social values. Such negative behaviors and lifestyles cause the collective karma resulting in all the unnecessary problems, like the current pandemic. The society as a whole has to face it. While it is important that at the individual level, we follow rules such as social distancing, washing hands, and wearing face masks, but more importantly we need to respect the law of karma, that is, follow harmless behaviors and engage in helpful day-to-day activities. This will definitely help us to prevent recurrence of the pandemic.